It's time for step 3. Prioritizing needs over wants. Consciously allocating your money to needs ensures that the essentials are covered before indulging in those tempting but often unnecessary expenses called wants. Let's dive into the distinction between needs and wants. Needs encompass the essentials for survival and well-being, such as shelter, food, clothing, and healthcare. These are the fundamental requirements that are necessary for basic living. On the other hand, wants are the extras, those things that would be nice to have but aren't crucial for survival. They often involve luxuries or non-essential purchases that add comfort or enjoyment to life but aren't essential for sustaining oneself. Consider a few examples. Shelter is undeniably a need, a safe and secure place to live. However, a luxurious penthouse with a stunning view would likely fall into the want category, as it exceeds the basic requirement for shelter. Similarly, while a home-cooked meal fulfills the need for sustenance, dining out at an expensive restaurant and indulging in a $90 Alaskan crab leg would be considered a want, as it goes beyond the necessity of food. This approach isn't about depriving yourself, but about making conscious choices that lay the groundwork for a secure future. As you continue on your financial journey, step 4 ensures that you're taking proactive measures to cover yourself when life happens.